Guys, can you guys tell her to get in? Can y'all tell her to get in? Yeah. All right, you guys, so the bottom half is wet. We're in there. As you guys can see, we're in the water. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's go.
There we go. All right, you guys, we have you wrapped in a towel. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys how you look. You look a little crazy. You look a little crazy, not gonna lie. But that's how you look. All right, let's see. Yeah, literally like that. There we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yes, hold it. I kind of want like, let me see, like, so instead of like sitting, pushing, so pull the hands back, and when you have that leg back, push off of it a little bit, so that way your butt's not so like, because when you sit on it, it makes your butt look flat, and then when you push off of it, it's gonna like boom, and then when you arch, it's gonna pop it. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, just like that. There we go. Just like that. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and hold it. 3, 2, and one more. There you go. Now turn to your side just a little bit. So I kind of want like this. Yeah. Stretch out a little bit more. There we go. Just like that. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yes, there we go, just like that. Now like do the same thing, but like from the back. So like turn this way, turn that way, and you're gonna do the exact same thing and cross your left leg. Yep. And then you're gonna like go like this and look through your arm. Yeah, like that, literally like that. So look, boom, just like that. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there you go, just like that. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Now try to not don't look at me. Just kind of look off, look up and off. That way. Yep. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. There we go. And now what I'm thinking is like, I kind of want you like this, with like both. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. But like do it like you're walking. And I'm gonna like catch you within it. Yeah, there you go. 3, hold it. I'm gonna get some compression, you guys. I'm gonna back up, get some compression. There we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes. Oh, yes. One more, one more. Go back, go back, go back. You got it. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah. So I want you to do it again. Just like this is your runway. I want you to do it again, and I want you to be like, you know what I'm saying? Like you're looking left, you're looking right, you're through your hair, you're like, you know what I'm saying? All right, ready? Hold it. Let's see. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Right. And then like do one walking away, and like you're like looking back. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Yes. There you go. Oh, that's cute.
Cute.
Oh, idea. I don't know whose this is.
The kayak?
Not the physical kayak, but just like one of these things. You think this is one of theirs? Think this is one of theirs?
Probably.
But I'm thinking like you like just holding it. Like just holding it like as a prop. Like probably like leaning right here and holding it. Don't hit nobody.
No brand?
Nah, no brand. We're not, you know what I'm saying? We're not helping them boys out. There you go, just like that. Yeah, like that, like that. I'm close, I'm gonna be like close up in there. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Eye contact with me. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now put it kind of like here, so like you're gonna have it here like that, and like put your other hand in it. Put your other hand with it too, like that. Yeah, just like that, just like that. There you go, just like that. There you go. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, just like that. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. One more. Yeah, there we go. Right? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'll put it back. Huh? Nah, but that bit, I hear that thunder though. He's talking about.
What was that?
A fish.
You sure?
No, it was a fish just jumped out of the water.
A fish just jumped in the water.
Yeah, you. There we go. There's a fish just jumped out of the water.
A fish just jumped in the water.
Yeah, you. Yeah. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. There we go. Yeah, hold it. There we go. Yeah. The foot is crazy. Yep, yeah.
That's crazy.
There you go, let me see. Hold it, yeah, there we go, hold it. Yes. So just by me putting some distance in between me and my subject, you guys, the shots got even crazier. Yes. 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 There we go. There we go. Now get like by the tree. Don't touch the berries, 'cause I don't know what that is. I don't know what kind of berries those are. But that's a bird. I see it. I see it. It's a bird. I'm sure. Real shit, it's a bird. He's hopping.
I don't want to tussle no gator.
He's hopping though. Nah. I feel like they'll tussle a gator before you have to. The best part about this water is that it's clear. So if there was one, we'd see him. I'd be scared if this was like murky. Then we really don't know. And then some shit just pop up out of nowhere. Yeah, nah. That's why I like Kelly. I'll be vibing out here. All right, bet. Let's see. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yes. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more. Hold it. Yes. 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 Suck it in. There we go. And give me the same thing. More. Angle yourself more that way. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Like that. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Now walk towards me as best as you can. Yeah, pause. Pause. There you go. Hold both of your top, like the strings of your top. There you go. Yeah, like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yep. Yeah, hold it. Hold it. Yeah. Now come can you touch this? Touch it, but like arch. There you go, like that, and look off to your side. Can you kind of like that? Yeah, like that. There we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Look right here. Yep. Hold it. Yep. There we go. Is that rain coming back down? Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Hold it. Yes. Yeah. This is cute. I like these. Hold it. One more right here. One more. That. All right, now how are you getting back up here? You need help? Yeah, I think we did. I think we're good. No cap. Guys, it just seems like it's getting darker and darker, so we're probably gonna wrap here. But let me know if you guys like videos like this, you know what I'm saying? And things of that nature. I gotta always be real with y'all and stuff and transparent. I just need y'all to understand. I need y'all to see that we're just in the soaking this. I want to show y'all. I low-key want to show y'all the sludge out of my shoe, but I don't know if I want to take my. I don't even know if it's gonna actually show water or something. No, it's not right now. But I am. You guys can see that I'm wet. I feel like you can see that New Balances need to be washed. Yeah, they're gonna get treated very well when I get home and things of that nature. But you guys can see that it is raining. Indeed, you know what I'm saying? I was just trying my hardest not to have y'all in the rain, so y'all had to deal with the rain, you know what I'm saying? But I did a few reels and stuff like that, so if y'all see them, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what happened, and yeah. But it's almost done. About to go ahead and leave, clock out, and things of that nature. Love you guys. Thank you guys for checking in. But I just wanted to show y'all the real, man. Anything for the shot, you know what I'm saying? We out here, you know what I'm saying? We out here, really out here for real. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else say they out here for real, but they're not out here for real. So I just want to show y'all who really out. Yeah, like I'm not talking, but who really out here for real. So until next time.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back. I don't need it. I don't need it.